If you've been thinking about getting the e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner, then here is my honest review. So I've been using it for around 2 months now. I love the texture, like it's quite firm, as in you can very easily sharpen it and it will stay in shape. But it's also nice and soft, so it's not like hard on the lips. And it's a very natural color. I have the Truth or Bear color. I've made a swatch here on my hand so you can see like how nice the color is looking, nice pigmented. And what I love about e.l.f. products is that they come with very clean, like skin-loving ingredients as well. So you don't have to worry about any nasties. So if you're looking for like a semi-matte lip liner that lasts a long time on your lips and it looks natural with skin-loving ingredients, vegan and cruelty-free, then I highly recommend this lip liner. And yeah, it glides on perfectly, no tugging, so highly recommend.